Hi everyone, welcome to our channel GR Trigger. In the last video we have discussed about section 22 of CGST Act which specifies the person who are liable for registration. Now we are going to discuss about section 23 which specifies the person who are not liable for registration, and section 24 which specifies certain cases where a particular person is compulsorily required to get registered under GST. Section 23 and 24 is correlated. First, we will go through section 24 so that we can have a clear understanding on section 23. Here are the list of persons who are compulsorily required to get GST registration. First, person rendering interstate taxable supplies. However, we have certain exception in section 23. Second, casual taxable persons making taxable supplies. For this person also we have certain exceptions in section 23. In GST, we have certain supplies for which the recipient is liable to pay GST under RCM. For those supplies, the recipient is required to get GST registration compulsorily. Section 9 subsection 5 of CGST Act specifies certain category of supplies if rendered through e-commerce operator. E-commerce operator has to pay GST. If a particular e-commerce operator is liable for GST under section 9 subsection 5, he is compulsorily required to get GST registration. Fifth one, non-resident taxable persons making taxable supplies. Sixth, person liable to deduct tax at source. Seventh, person supplying on behalf of other taxable persons. Eighth, input service distributor. Ninth, supplier who is supplying through e-commerce operator who is liable to collect tax at source, other than those transactions which are covered under section 9 subsection 5. 10th, e-commerce operator who are liable to collect tax at source under section 52 of CGST Act. 11th, person supplying online information and database access and retrieval services from outside India to unregistered person in India. Last one is persons notified by the government. Section 23 specifies the person who are exempted from GST registration. Exemption is categorized into three types. First, in GST there are certain supplies which are not liable to GST, and there are other supplies which are taxable. However, those supplies is exempted through notification, and a person is rendering those supplies exclusively, then he is not liable for GST registration. Second, an agriculturist. However, an agriculturist is exempted only to the extent of supply of produce out of cultivation of land. And if he render any other services apart from those, then he is liable for registration. Third, government has the right to exempt a person from registration. Through this right, certain persons has been notified under this section. They are: first, supplies attracting reverse charge. Let me explain with an example. A person is rendering supply of goods. GST is payable under RCM for this goods. In this situation, the supplier is not liable for registration as per section 23, and recipient is liable for GST registration as per section 24. Section 24 says that a person rendering interstate taxable supplies is compulsorily required to get GST registration. However, we have three exceptions in section 23. They are: first, job worker making interstate supply of services to a registered person and his turnover does not exceed the limit as prescribed under section 22, and he is not voluntarily get GST registration, and he is not rendering services in relation to jewelry, goldsmith and silversmith. If any of these three conditions is not satisfied, then he is liable for GST registration. Second, any persons making taxable services interstate, and his turnover does not exceed the limit as prescribed under section 22, then also he is not required to get GST registration. And the third one, any person or casual taxable person supplying interstate supply of handcraft goods and his turnover does not exceed the limit as prescribed under section 22, then also he is not liable for registration. One more exception is that as per section 24, any suppliers supplying through e-commerce operator who are liable to collect TCS, then he is liable for registration compulsorily. However, we have one exception in section 23, that is those suppliers turnover does not exceed the limit as prescribed under section 22, then he is not required to get GST registration. These are the list of the persons who are not liable for GST registration. Hope you got a clear understanding on section 23 and section 24, which specifies the persons who are exempted from GST registrations and liable for registration. Hope this video finds you useful. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.